Welcome to this tutorial on how to reverse a clip in Premiere Pro. Reversing a clip can add a fun and creative touch to your videos. Let's get started. First, open Premiere Pro and import the clip you want to reverse. You can do this by clicking on File and then Import, or by using the shortcut. Once your clip is imported, drag it to the timeline. You can find the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Next, right-click on the clip in the timeline and select Speed Duration from the drop-down menu. This will open the Clip Speed Duration window. In the Clip Speed Duration window, check the box that says Reverse Speed. This will automatically reverse the clip. If you want to adjust the speed of the reversed clip, you can do so by changing the percentage in the speed box. A higher percentage will make the clip play faster, while a lower percentage will slow it down. Once you're happy with the reversed clip, click OK to apply the changes. That's it. You have successfully reversed a clip in Premiere Pro. You can now play the clip and see the reverse effect in action. Remember, reversing a clip can be a great way to add an interesting element to your videos. So don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different clips and speeds. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy editing!